Developing powerful and muscular legs at home can be quite a challenge. Luckily, I'm here to help you. When training at home, the best thing you can do is to keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate your training session or your diet plan, or you could end up being overwhelmed and decide to give up. Lunges and squats should be your bread and butter when it comes to leg training. Do all types of lunges and squats with different weights if you have any, for the best results. I would recommend training your legs with weights. It's just easier. But sometimes that's not an option, especially in your own home. This is where high repetitions and the grease the groove method comes in. We need to push our legs near or to failure if we want to see growth. This is why high reps are a great option. The grease the groove method is more useful if you are trying to increase strength, mobility, balance, or flexibility instead of muscle size. I still recommend it though. Supersets and mechanical drop sets are an excellent choice if you want to turn your legs into tree trunks. If you aren't sure what mechanical drop sets are, then click on this video. Pyramid sets build up the necessary volume to wear your shorts proudly. And of course, you can use partial repetitions. Unlike the subscriber button, partial reps should be used sparingly. But what about the rest of your body, you say? Well, if only there was a guide on training the body at home.